At the ticket counter.
Hello, I'd like to book a ticket to New York, please.
Sure. One way or round trip?
Round trip, please.
All right. What date would you like to depart, and when will you return?
I'd like to leave on January 25th and return on February 5th.
Let me check the availability. We have flights available. Do you prefer a morning or evening departure?
Morning if possible.
Great. I have a flight leaving at 9:30 a.m. Is that okay?
Yes, that works for me.
Perfect. Do you prefer economy, business, or first class?
Economy, please.
All right. The round-trip ticket will be $850. How would you like to pay?
By credit card.
Great. Here's your ticket. Make sure to arrive at the airport 3 hours before departure.
Thank you so much.
Flight schedule.
Excuse me, I need some information about the flight to London.
Sure, what would you like to know?
What time does the flight depart?
The flight is scheduled to leave at 3:45 p.m.
Is it on time?
Let me check for you. Yes, it's on time so far.
That's good. How long is the flight?
It's approximately 7 hours and 20 minutes.
And where is the boarding gate?
The gate is B12. Boarding starts at 2:45 p.m.
Great. Can I ask one more thing?
Of course.
Is there a place nearby to get some food?
Yes, there's a food court just to your left.
Thank you for your help.
Check-in.
Good morning. May I have your ticket and passport, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking in any luggage today?
Yes, I have one suitcase and a carry-on bag.
Please place your suitcase on the scale.
Okay.
Perfect. Your bag weighs 22 kilograms, which is within the limit.
That's good.
Here's your boarding pass. Your flight departs from gate C23 at 10:15 a.m. Boarding starts at 9:30 a.m.
Thank you. Can I ask about the carry-on bag?
Sure, it must fit in the overhead compartment and should not exceed 7 kilograms.
Got it. Thanks for the information.
Have a nice flight.
Security checkpoint. Good morning. Please place all your belongings in the tray.
Sure. Should I include my jacket and belt?
Yes, and make sure to remove any electronics or liquids from your bag.
Okay. Do I need to take off my shoes?
Yes, please.
All right.
Thank you. Now please walk through the scanner.
Is everything okay?
One moment. Could you step aside for a quick check?
Of course.
All clear. You can collect your belongings now.
Thank you. Is there a place to refill my water bottle nearby?
Yes, there's a station just after this checkpoint.
Thanks again.
Customs Desk Part 1. Hello, do you have any goods you would like to declare?
Yes, I have some personal belongings and gifts.
Do you have any commercial goods or prohibited items?
No, I don't have any commercial goods or prohibited items.
All right, please place your bag on the conveyor belt for baggage inspection.
Do I need to unpack or open the bag?
If necessary, we will ask you to open the bag for inspection. We will let you know if that is required.
Okay, I am ready for that.
Thank you for your cooperation. You can now proceed to the arrival hall and collect your luggage.
Thank you very much.
Boarding the plane. Good afternoon. May I see your boarding pass?
Here you go.
Thank you. Your seat is 14A by the window. Please follow the signs to the left.
Great. Do you know if there's space for carry-on luggage?
Yes, there should be space in the overhead compartments.
Perfect. Thank you.
By the way, boarding for your row starts in 5 minutes. You can wait in the seating area nearby.
Thanks for letting me know.
Flight attendant.
Excuse me. Could I have a blanket, please?
Of course. I'll bring one to you right away.
Thank you. Also, when will the meal service start?
We'll start serving meals about an hour after takeoff. Would you like chicken or vegetarian?
I'll have chicken, please.
Got it. Is there anything else you need?
Do you have headphones available?
Yes, I'll bring those along with the blanket.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
Customs Desk Part 2. Welcome to the United States. May I see your passport and customs declaration form?
Sure. Here they are.
Thank you. Are you bringing any food, plants, or animals with you?
No, just my personal belongings.
Do you have any items worth more than $10,000?
No, nothing like that.
All right. What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for tourism.
And how long will you be staying?
2 weeks.
Do you have a place to stay during your visit?
Yes, I'm staying at a hotel in downtown.
Great. Do you have any family or friends traveling with you?
No, I'm traveling alone.
I see. Have you ever visited the United States before?
No, this is my first time.
I hope you enjoy your visit. Everything looks good. Here are your documents back.
Thank you very much.
Welcome to the United States. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.